Automations for bundles. From your dashboard, go across to Courses. On the left hand side, click Bundles. Click into a bundle. If you're already in there, go across to Automations. Now, automations are emails that fire out when someone actually enrolls in a bundle. But also remember that if you have automation set up inside of each of your courses and you've turned on under bundle details, allow drip automation of content in this bundle, these automated emails from each course will also go out. So be very careful of this. But if you want to just set the automations up for automations inside of a bundle, you simply go down and edit and create your automations. The automations are created exactly the same way that you do for courses. So please see the support documentation on course automation to find out more about setting up email automations for both courses and drip, because the same thing applies. This is automations for bundles on Zenler.